All right, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to the Struggling Day Trader channel. My name is Hassan. We are live. What's up, y'all? Hope you having a great day. It is Friday, right? Yeah, it's Friday. Right on. Um, Man, I really like RHC right here at the open, but we're gonna take our time today. No rush. Let me get my chat set up. Yo, haha, what up, Brian? That's crazy. What a joke. I was just telling Trey I wanted this over 120. What up, OG? Don't forget to hit that like button for me, guys, on the way in. OPAD with a nice little wick there. Three pony, what's going on? um, um, mm, mm. Man, I gotta start taking those, bro. Taking those, bruv. No trade day, OG? Yo, what up, BLT? Yes, sir. Spectator mode. Already got the bag secured. I'm seeing the places where eventually I'm going to be able to be aggressive, and I just don't have the confidence to do it right now, and the data, which leads to the confidence. But yeah, there's a lot of fun to be had with the discipline when you got the discipline. What's up, Bobby? No trade day. So you mainly trade pre-market, huh, Bobby? Focus. My main two are OPAD and LRHC. Thought I got GP up too. Um, I kind of think Lucy's interesting today. uh, Trade breaking news. That's what's up. Dang, smashed. Destructo Ray. Yeah, I did it. I liked PAVS, but Trey told me about their they got some shares to dump. Man, I want to take this trade too, man. I see this a lot. Need to start tagging these so I can build a data set behind some of these things. What's going on in the Supreme Court, Brian? Dang, LRHC, the same thing with that dump. That dump, and it's just like you get a wick back to the low, and then it just breaks up. 120 look even better now. Ruling on Trump's tariffs in 24 minutes. Interesting. OPAD is where all the volume is at. It's gonna be a minute though. Oh yeah. What up, Dirk? GP, I got GP up. Man, I still think LRHC out of this wedge is gonna be saucy. You just gotta wait though. The higher time frames say it's a go. Well, we're not out the trend line yet. Let's see if we can get an entry. CETX, that's one I was planning to look at. Man, another bounce off of that wide range. This is like 3 in a row, bro. Man, you called 110. Trey called 110 too. I'm about to put it up now. Straight called it. I'm gonna have to add that to the playbook, yo. Here comes Lucy. Wave Rider. I have 0 levels on GP. Yeah, that's what's up, BLT. It sucks going into the weekend with bad performance for sure. Supernova, what's going on? No trading today? Man, we got a few no trade days in here today. We'll see, man. I just want to be patient and stick to my rules, man, and try to not have any regrettable executions. I know, man. I see it on CETX. I see it on LRHC, bro. It's standing out to me a lot. I'm seeing it, bro. I see it, Dirk. Daggone it. Yeah, like what else goes with it though? Like it's just like if I was to write this setup down, what would be my criteria? Just a wide range that closes close to the bottom at the open, and then I guess at a level. Hmm. Statistically, Friday used to be my best day. Hmm. It's like the same thing right here too. Morning knives. Man, I pulled up SMR today. I thought it looked pretty decent, and it does. Hmm. Can't catch them all, man. Can't catch them all. M's and W's. Hey, man, it's good to see you too, Microdon. Appreciate you stopping through, bro. Oh, we talking about patterns? I got you. Yeah, the V's, man, when it just nosedives right into the support, and it's just like, hey, act now. Definitely scary. It's at the close, so you don't buy you don't wait for the next candle to trade through the close. You just buy the candle as soon as it closes. This is another one right here, bro. SMR, Lucy, CETX, LRHC, all of them. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. The open of the next candle. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I'm looking for that thing to pull it on back. Pull it on back. Hmm. You got to see the dip first, or you buying it right off of the break of the close price. Yeah, I got the one up here in the top right, top left. GP looks cool right here. Yeah, that's sweet. Stopped on Lucy. Oh yeah, I see it. That's a level left over from yesterday. It's looking pretty slapped right there. Looking pretty slapped. Yo, what up, Santa? That's how I gotta be, Knives. Next trade. Next trade. I don't see anything setting up for real. Maybe this guy. Yeah, that looks pretty cool. Lower low. Got bought up immediately. Yeah, what's one on, bro? I was listening to something and it was saying that if you feel pain from your losses, then you're risking too much. And makes a lot of sense. My bad. Which one were we talking about? LRHC? LRHC. This definitely looks like a reversal candle. It looked like they was hanging out at 110 on this thing, but we gonna see. I'm not jumping the gun on anything. Yeah, this is definitely what I saw coming on OPAD. Oh, CETX. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I was thinking about that candle. Yeah, the sentiment seems to be unanimous. That's pretty low volume for such a big candle, though. I could see feeling okay buying the close back through there. Volume looks dry though. Oh yeah, hella dry. CETX and Lucy SMR is doing pretty decent volume actually. Oh wait, hold up. It's wrong time frame. That's actually looking pretty solid on SMR. That's kind of a shaky candle, but uh yeah, SMR could turn into something in a little while. Yeah. Yeah, I would say that's a nasty situation. But the volume on it is relatively low considering the move. Yeah, sound like I need to pull up the spy. Keep an eye on that. Double bottom. What up, HH? GP, maybe. Hmm. Not bad on the 15. One looks ready. Visualize the trend. Hmm. Oh, MTEN. That's funny, HH. Yeah, that thing already up there, man. Why you gotta do all that? Ooh, wee. Look at that. Discord voice. Tis a possibility. But you know, I'm not gonna be jumping around. Man, GP did a nice higher low on the one for that. Old party line. Dang, bro. CETX just like, yeah, what about it? Just no chill. No chill at all. Right? Put a line on this thing. Yeah, yeah, that's possible. Bruh, GP wants the bread. We're gonna let it cook a little bit longer, but GP wants the bread. Look at SMR too.
Order filled.
Playing breakouts? Damn, bro. I don't remember playing breakouts. SPY is dumping. Damn it, SMR. Wow, right into resistance too. Really? Damn, look at that bounce off the trend line though. Ooh,
Order filled.
damn it. Jump the gun.
Order filled. I should have waited for that damn second candle, bro. But I could also wait for that thing to get out the trend line too. Damn, look at Yeah. Yeah, mostly low float crew here. Couple swing traders. CETX is rolling. I sure don't like this volume coming in on this high, right? Well, that looks good on the one though, which don't mean nothing. Thing came down and double bottomed the trend line and whoop. Yeah, it's got to be more patient, really. Just always worried about missing the move and wanting to get in early. Just chill, bro. That's a breakout trade. New high day on CETX. Looking for 138 over here. I mean, I guess if you consider making a new high an entry, um, but you know, I'm feel like I'm buying off of support, so I guess on the it does seem like the breakout, but that's not really where I'm going for. I kind of missed where I would have liked to get in here, which was closer to 125. But um, oh, it's under VWAP for you. Yeah, I actually just looked at that this morning. Calculate view app for pre and post market hours. Is that what we're talking about? Yeah, it is enabled. Oh wait, did you buy that?
Order filled.
I look at too much while trading. Well, I'm risking all three of them today. That's funny. I was thinking that too, HH. This is looks like a great spot to add. Mm-hmm. I want to be an OPAD too. Yeah, I just don't want, I need to keep the complications out of my trades right now, so we'll get to adding later. Hope we can take out 110 again. APLD. I had APLD up earlier. What is OPAD doing here? Mm. 111 on LRHC. SMR broke out our trend line. See what the next pullback on that looks like. To be patient, you know. To be patient. OPAD looking mad saucy. Oh, come on. This look pretty bad on the 15, but nah, it looks pretty good. SPY, new high day on the SPY. GP looking kind of weak right now. Ain't that the truth, Reno? Man, I feel like I should be in this right here. Oh man, they closed low too for the super saucy entry. I just don't have any more risks to play with it, but I really like this on OPAD. Actually have been super slacking on my journal because my prop reports wasn't syncing, but I'm back in the game now on my journaling. Um, and honestly, man, I changed my strats so much, which is why I got this date right here, and I've been really trying to just stick to things. So I don't know, man. We'll see what January stats are looking like. But I kind of feel like I'm trading from a clean slate of data. Bruh, I want this so bad. I just had to wait, bro. What's about to happen here? AEVA. Oh, wow. Yep, nice grind, too. Bro, I want OPAD so bad. So bad. But it's not working. It's not working. Dang, bro. Never trade OPAD again. That used to be Tesla for me. Yeah, GP looks terrible now. Both of these things. Bruh. Damn, bruh. Hung in there, huh, Knives? Yeah. I mean, I can't help but trade it when I see it though. But daggone. Uh well, this morning, which I guess is not necessarily a good thing, because again, the whole goal right now is to stop making changes and adjustments. But as I'm coming closer to, realizing my final trend trading form, I'm just kind of thinking like, what about the stocks that trade more practically? You know, like a nice mid-range stock. So I just wanted to watch it, see if it, might also follow trends practically. Damn, bruh. Checked in at the wrong time. Yeah. brain is clicking. What you getting at, Center Star? What about trends and mid-range stocks? Boy, this LH joint is just like stressing me out for no reason, bro. 15 was pretty diabolical though. I ain't gonna lie. Pretty diabolical. Man, both of these, but man, SMR was really beautiful. My stop below a day, yeah, it is. Stop is 121, lower day is 122. This trash. Yeah. Hmm. Bro, just go up, son. Just go up. Nice. Still got a long way to go in patience, man. That's what I can feel from today. SMR was beautiful. I definitely feel like that's possible, Center Star. My main obstacle, though, is still myself. Still myself. But I'm definitely making some progress against myself. Yeah. No doubt. Thanks, Knives. Yeah, I see, realizing that I don't do the same thing consistently enough to see the fruits from it is probably one of the biggest things. Like being able to snap myself out of that, because it was like as soon as I would change something, I would see the trade that I was looking for before, but I was already doing something different, so I didn't take that trade, and it's just like that, just constantly. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for too, man. If I could just get like one stinking good day, everything will be fine. Sheesh. I'm sad I missed SMR though. Yeah, both of these I'm sitting in are just like torture stocks. What? He needs to remove that hotkey. What was the 20 trade challenge again? No interference, right? Yeah. GP was the better idea. Yeah, for sure. I can't argue that. I got some regrets here. Hey. Ooh. See, and really I could have waited for this moment right here. And even still could be waiting. Shout out to the 123 level. Yeah, for sure. Trendline trade don't be playing. I guess that's support line tray. GP 10 a.m. candle. Yeah, it's a lot of meat on that bone, Dirk. Actually, I started with 300 and some change, and I forgot they took the platform fee out of that. So I was actually been trading with 200 this whole time. So yeah, super small account challenge. Spin the blocking section 8. Yeah, but see, I would have added up here, So this is definitely a better spot to add. But I'm cool with adding right now. I'll leave that alone. Catalyst, yeah, I feel you. I feel you. Definitely feeling the regrets right now. Stoppage coming soon. Yeah. I don't know. It could hold, but I could definitely see a trip back down to $1 before anything goes on the LRHC. But look like we might have GP to clean up. Oh yeah, we definitely looking for through pre-market high, no doubt. Shoot, 155 on them. Ain't no point in looking at anything right now. Come on, LRHC. You want to reverse so bad. I can see it. I can see it. I'm glad you got that confidence, cause it's definitely looking. Ooh. Let's go, man. Let's go. Yeah, this was hella jumping the gun right here. This should have been the buy right here. I'm gonna get myself. I'm gonna get myself patient for this. I'm gonna get myself patient. Just gotta wait for that lower high, man. That real lower high. This looks pretty good too, right here. Bruh, stop it. Stop it. Yeah. I want to be okay with missing the trade though. I am okay with missing a trade. Yep, I see it, man. The main thing I need to hear from you, Dirk, is what gives you the conviction to step into the trade right there. I don't know, OG. It's only nice when they both green. It's not nice when they just playing around your entry. Yeah, I see it for sure. I mean, even the ones I saw this morning, they were all ad support, LRHC, ad support, CETX, ad support. I mean, it's there. It's there. Man, there goes OPAD, man. I like this candle a lot. Mm-mm-mm. Sketchy, though. You gotta hold 130, man. Thick. uh, yeah. Yeah, GP is making me uncomfortable. SMR all the way back into the trend line. Hmm. Okay, so like right here, Dirt. This an entry? Right up through this, through the close. No. Heck no. Christmas tree. The entire move. I mean, it made a lower low. Yeah, I know. It was. I almost had it too, Pond. I almost had it, bro. I just jumped the gun a little bit, man. It didn't give me an entry anyway, but I gotta start getting this too. I'm gonna figure it out. Yeah, I'm definitely not of the quick scout mindset. I'm really leaning towards center star on this one, Trey. I just believe in my heart that eventually red days should be few and far in between. And the reason I feel like that is because I feel like I can get to like a 65, 70% accuracy eventually. And as long as I can find like 3 trades a day, 2 or 3 trades a day. No, yeah, for sure. For sure. I mean, I still think it's suspicious just because it's so rare, but I also still think it's possible. It just like it's just statistically like if you can find 3 trades a day and you have better than 60% accuracy, then it's as long as you catch one out of three, and if you're 68%, you should almost always get one out of three. You should be getting 2 out of 3. So generally, you shouldn't have many red days. If you're 2 to 1, 68%, for example. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's fire, bro. That's fire. Fire. K info or no fo? Well, we got one K info. we got one. We got one K info. A good old small account challenge, buddy. Held on for dear life, bro. Like, thank God. You see that pond? The challenge is complete. That's got to be like a fatality on that one, right? Yeah, it's got to be over. Center Star. He started his account with 566, so he said, and according to his K info, he's down 588, and that was before he closed his negative $64 position that he swung from yesterday. Yeah. Which the only rule for the challenge was to close positions at the end of day, and he swung 2 positions, 2 different days. So yeah, the brokers made bank. Like they should sponsor the next challenge for Frank. They made so much money. I think half of the 588 is probably broker fees. Yeah, pretty wild stuff. Hey, holla at your boy LRHC, giving the hope from the depths of the pit of hopelessness. From the depths. Yeah, right, Brian. Yeah, it's almost disrespectful at this point to sit here and tell us to our faces that he's reading the tape and has a profitable strategy. Like it's almost like assuming we're stupid and can't see the difference between good trades and bad trades, or even just a system that has the potential to be profitable and a system that is absolutely removed from profitability. you know yeah, that part is pretty wild too. uh it's just like it's the layers of scamness Bobby, from the 23,000 subscriber count. You know, it's just like layers and layers of deceit. Of treachery, kung fu treachery. Did you? The old Wall Street bets. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna make a channel. Actually, my intent, I want to make a group because you can make groups in K Info. So I've tried to make it. It keeps giving me an error. I don't know if they got some issues going right now. But I want to make a struggling day trader community group in K Info, and we can all have like a internal stat battle. You know, just a little fun ranking. You know, keep a little competitiveness. Dang boy, I just could not do 140, huh? Oh, that's what's up. All right. As soon as I get the channel started, I'm gonna drop the K info. I'll probably open a new channel, and we'll just we'll go over it on the live stream and stuff, and we'll give props to the number one, and I think that'll be pretty cool. Yeah. Well, the bids are looking pretty stacked. Yeah, I think I missed it. Yeah. Yeah, now it's actually looking kind of cool. Nah, K Info's free. They have a pro version, but the basic version is free. I don't know what you need from the pro version or not, but yeah, it is free. Slapped off of that trend line up there. Still some hope. Good old hopium. Yeah, I completely, I have no argument for anyone who feels paranoid about linking their info to K info. I just, for me, I don't have a lot of money, so it's not really that scary to me. And I just kind of tend to trust some things, I guess, more than I should. So I don't feel any anxiety about linking my prop reports, because that's how I do it. I link my prop report up to my K info, so it's not, they're not like signing into my brokerage account or anything like that. Um, but yeah, man, I think it'll just be good. We have a lot of conversations in the Discord and things, and people say a lot of things, and it would just be kind of cool to know that your performance is in line with your speech. It just put a little respect on your name, and give people a little more confidence that um you know yeah, pretty much, center star. uh, what are we doing here? You just holding a brother hostage all day. At least we're back above my entry price. That's super nice. And my arrow's down pretty low. We could just get a little leg stretching, you know. We could be somewhere. Yeah, it's free though, Brian. We can do a free. You can do a free account just to join the squad, but no pressure. Oh yeah, maybe so. I'm not sure, Brian. I don't know nothing about that dirt. Yeah, GP is looking pretty cool, I must say. Maybe. Back over 42 would be superb. Taxes. Yeah, it is, HH. It is. That's what's up, B. Ooh, 112. Eat it up. Eat it up. Yep, eat it up. Eat it up. Eat it. Yeah, buddy. Shredded it. Let's go. Come on. Keep going. How we get back to 112, bro? You approved today? Let's go. Finally. Hmm. I'll have to check that out for sure. Hmm. Not that we want losses. Yeah, that's for sure. Come on, bruv. It doesn't feel like Friday for some reason. Oh. 137. What are we looking at here? Hmm. Pretty much trading low float, high volume gappers. Just pretty much the top movers of the day. Dang, bro. GP whack, man. Big time whack. Big time whack. What's this low? 130. Yeah, that's definitely what's happening. Oh, we touched 114. That's positive. I know, bro. It don't seem that way. Choo. I've never seen. I never got to see Frank's choo performance because I should have rolled my stop up with that uptrend line. That's what I should have done. Oh well, it's gonna have to do what it do now. 115. Man, we gonna make it past VWAP or no? Taking some through 117, I think. High day would be saucy. I hope it just kind of squeezes up and then I could get a real nice happy feel. Third green candle up though. Be kind of excessive to go straight up from here without some pullback. Yeah, it's almost gotta pull back. Limit up 137.
Order filled.
I feel like I should settle it all because, bro, it's fourth candle up on the green and extended on the one. Like, it's gotta pull back.
Order filled.
All right. Yeah, I just, that's definitely feels like the most practical thing. All right, we out of there. 2R. Let's see what GP talking about. Thanks, Trey. Oh. Come on, GP. HH said you gotta go. You talking about on LRHC? Good sell, right? Yeah, I just, bro, this got to be the top. We talking about VWAP. We talking about 3 candles up on the 5, and it's super extended on the 1. I had to sell that. Man, thanks, Brian. That's very hard for me to do. I'm such an optimist. I'm always, it could go, it could happen. That's always me. So yeah, that's a huge dub just to hit that sell button and collect the 2R. Thanks, Dirk. Yeah, I could definitely jump the gun on the entry. Um, yeah, yeah. I mean, I can't be mad at it, but there's there's room to be more patient too, though. But yeah, it was clear double bottom. Um, the wick. I mean, the wick had already shown itself. It just, yeah. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
It would be cool to get to spend like a week shadowing a short trader though. Just to get a look of the opposition, what they're looking for, how they be trapping me. This looks pretty legitimate. Legitimate. Higher low back down to the trend line. Short seller's wet dream though, huh? I don't know, man. Back over 111. I think this is kind of saucy looking. Retested the trend lines. Makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, my mic's doing the sound again today, huh? There we go. No, I couldn't, but somebody pointed it out to me yesterday. And I realized it's from having my mic sitting next to my laptop. Now, if I stop out here, I'm going to say, why didn't I just stop out higher?
Order filled.
And keep my little half R for the slightly green day. But if it would have came down here and bounced, then I'd be mad. But the trade was over here, I would say. I think I want to kind of walk my stop up with the trend line. Like I would have much rather gotten out when it broke back below VWAP and at least this low. Wait till February 1st. We don't trade P&L here. See, this is what I was trying to avoid, man. Dirty bastard. Well, we lose 0.15. My sell rules, yeah. 121. 122. Hilarious. Yeah, you're right. You're right about that. You are right about that.
Mm. Yeah, me too. It's all good though. Um, Honestly, if I get this trade in lower though, where I'm trying to get in at, it's just the entry that I want is the scariest one. But if I can start getting in at the break of the close, yeah. Yeah, when it gets to the level I'm too scary about buying without seeing like more and more confirmation. Mm, that's true, Bobby. Mm, mm. Dang, that's nice, Dirk. No, I did knives. It felt pointless because I changed my criteria and rules and how I trade so much month to month. Like it just always feels like I'm starting over. Like I think January is gonna be a really solid month of data for me because I've been not changing anything. Like I've committed to not changing anything for the most part. Yeah, that's a no. The hold of support is the confirmation. What's up, James? MLTX, is that from yesterday? Wow. Damn, look at this nice entry. I mean, to do that entry though, I have to remove the higher low confirmation. I guess I don't have to. Yeah, like this right here is it makes a new low of day. Yeah. Mm. Probably not. But honestly, I don't really have like a strict criteria on float. Um, mm. I mean, I've been trading low float stocks for the past few months, but before that, I was trading large caps and mid caps. So I I see my ideas work on all of those things. So I've just never felt like I needed to have like a limit. Like I only trade these floats. You know what I mean? What is that? Is that Lillian or Lil Ian? What's going on? Let's hear it. Let's hear what you got. No changes until February 1st. Hmm. The consistent thing I've seen is that I need high volume and an uptrend. And I've won trading those all floats, all caps, and the main thing is just being patient for the setup that I can read well and take with confidence. It's like I'm wrestling with FOMO every day. That's kind of where I'm at. That's why the rules have been the focus is to just kind of get myself to wait, you know. Yeah, I see a lot of gaps in room for improvement as far as really just tracking these things, but the tracking feels so it's hard to commit to the tracking because it feels like I'm constantly making changes, but it also feels like I'm not at the same time. That's funny, Center Star. Man, I used to trade a lot of INTC. SOXL, that was HH's baby for a while. Dang, it's up at 50. Yeah, I was looking at OPAD. Okay, that's yeah, those aren't bad. Yeah, I do. It's just like the biggest variable is me though. But that doesn't mean that there aren't other variables to identify. So yeah, I hear you. Yeah. Yeah, that definitely can be part of it for sure. Yeah, and not having any criteria to single out those things. I believe I found what works though. The problem is the day-to-day fluctuations that every strategy has. You know, because some days your strategy is just not the best one to apply to the price action of that day. But when that happens, it's just like, dang, I look at it as something wrong with my strategy. Like, why wasn't I able to trade these stocks, or why wasn't I successful today? Instead of just chalking it up to market conditions and saying, you know, this just wasn't a great day for my strategy, or it didn't present any opportunities based on my strategy. Instead, I start changing the strategy so I can catch that. And then the next day I come in looking for the opportunities from the previous day that made me adjust my strategy. And then you come in and you see the opportunities from the old way, you know, and it's just like this cycle. So I'm trying to stop doing that and just consistently look for the same thing for the month of January, for example. No, but I know what works. Even if I know, if I have a guaranteed system, if it doesn't work one day, I can't try to change it for the next day, right? I just got to accept that it doesn't work. It didn't work today, but it does work. So we're just going to come back with the same system tomorrow. But I just keep changing it, is the thing, what I'm saying. What's more important to me, RR or they're both really important to me, bro. I feel like I can't separate the two. Um, I would say win rate. I would say win rate because if I play for win rate, I feel like I can still partial, and I guess that don't work either. Um, I don't see why I can't have my cake and eat it too. Part of the problem I see rely heavily on continuation, strict R levels. Yeah, that's why, Bobby. I think the accuracy is the way to go. But so what you talking about, Dirk? Um, hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I'm surprised you threw that H in there, Dirk. Nah, I think it's necessary to drive home the point. Hmm. Yeah, I gotta get in the I gotta get some replays in all weekend long. I have been actually getting some pretty good replay time in. Yeah. You get excited to back test. Appreciate you, Focus. I know. I'm trying to get a K info group going in the Discord. Actually, I wonder why it won't let me do it. I'm gonna have to send somebody an email. Ooh, atrocious. Spaces. Mm. Yeah, I don't know why it won't let me create a group. Yeah, I'm like um halfway through November. Focus. Dang, boy, knives killed MBY. uh, yeah, but my entries have gotten way better for sure. That's for sure. I can definitely tell that my entries have gotten way better. I haven't seen like a disgusting breakout buy or resistance buy, like clear resistance buy. Like sometimes I might, buy something up under here, feeling like it's holding it as support when it's really resistance. But like when it's just like way up here somewhere. Yeah, patience is something I'm struggling with for sure. I'm trying to move myself from, oh no, I'm gonna miss it, to I'd rather miss it than take a bad entry. Like I'm trying to shift my mind, um, where instead of fearing missing out, I want to fear wasting an R on a bad trade. You think this was a bad buy, Dirt? Yeah, double bottom low a day with a wick on volume. Feel very inclined to take that. But I could also see waiting for this to come in, this volume to come in, and then wait for the retest after that, where I could have picked it up, over in here somewhere would have been better. Yeah, that's true. Hmm. With a triple bottom. Right. Yeah, I'm not mad at the buy. Um, GP was a little wild though, honestly. Like once I see this candle, I'm waiting for the lower high to draw the trend line. I had it. What did I draw it to here? Man, that's not really the lower high. I'm looking for it to like actually pull down and come up. Which I mean, yeah, this was the lower high to wait for, really. But it just I'll get caught up in the little candle to candle highs and lows when I'm actually looking for structure. Epic pin. There we go. So like here, this is the reset candle, and I'm looking for. That's not a good color. Let's go yellow, maybe blue. So once I see this big wick on big volume, I'm like, all right, that's the reset. Waiting for a lower high to draw my trend line, and I think I picked this one because it's like a move up, but that's not really what I'm looking for. And that's kind of the same situation down here where like, okay, I got a low, and then this is a higher low, but really this is all one leg down, and then this is one leg up. So this is actually the high that I'm waiting on to draw my trend line, which could have looked like this, so I could draw my trend line to this high, and then maybe after this one pops in, I move it or not. But definitely not this candle. Like this is not what I'm looking for. So, and same with this structure. Like, yeah, this technically is a higher low, but this is like trading the 1 minute through the five, which I mean, I could do, but I got to get in way lower. So, like, this is where I kind of need to be zoomed out a little bit to be able to see this as a leg, and then this as a leg, and then this as a leg. So, this is actually the higher low double bottom area that I should be looking for my entry, not over here. And now if I get in here off the lows, you know, the break of that candle, now we're cooking with something. Cause my risk there would be, well, I would definitely risk low of day. So be 120 and entry would have been 138. Or I'm sorry, 125. So 5 cent entry gets all the way up to 40s. Yeah. And that's where I feel like I can have my risk to reward and my accuracy at the same time. What's up, Dirk? What you got? I know, Dirk. Dirk, you want to jump on the voice in the Discord? Trend line on the wick of your top. All right, it's right there. Move it down. What you mean down where? I sent you a Discord invite. Like move it down like that. Like what we talking about? Does look a lot better. Hmm. You gotta jump on this voice chat, Dirk. We're gonna be forever doing this. Further? Bro, we got all the touches. What you mean? What are we doing? Bro, further. What it, almost. Bro, are you trolling me right now? Bro. Yeah, this ain't gonna work for me, bro. Bruh. Cause I just feel like it's not really like, bro, all the highs are outside of the trend line. It looks terrible. Yeah, bro, this looks terrible. Like you had me right here though. I thought that looked pretty nice. You know. And I thought we caught a lot of highs with that right there. That looks nice. Yeah, I'm not I don't want to move towards buying the break of a trend line. Um
What you doing in here, pimp?
oh snap, who it is? Artie?
What's up, my guy?
What's going on, bro?
Man, long time no talk. How's trader life?
It's still the most challenging thing in the world, but I still love it more than anything, so I'm still here.
Well, I gotta tell you this, man. Grinding your teeth while trying to do this against one of the. Well, this is probably the hardest market I've ever traded in. I've been doing this for about a decade now.
Yeah.
It's it's difficult right now. If you've been trading over the past year, maybe two, good job because you're cutting your teeth on some serious stuff. Hopefully, it pays off with knowledge, experience, so the later years aren't as rough as whatever the fuck is going on right now.
Yeah. That's what's up, man. You
You
said,
getting a swing trading yet?
nah, I haven't, man. I'm using all my mental and financial resources to figure out this day trading thing. But I know it doesn't
You
make
know when
sense to be
you
in it doesn't make sense to be in the
when you
market
decide
this long without some swing
swing
stuff going.
trading, yeah, man, you can change your name, struggling swing trader.
Yeah, it's going down. I got a Webull account that it's been just been sitting there waiting for some attention. Um,
Little rebranding action.
yeah, we'll see.
What you got for Spanish going these days? You got anything?
Any what?
You got any screeners going these days?
Nah, nothing that I'm checking in on a regular basis. I'm pretty much when I'm not in the
Let me send you
market.
one.
Yeah, sure, man.
I can send you a screener. This is one. I'll send you because I'm working on one right now. I've been using ChatGPT to hone it down. I'm gonna send you my momentum scanner because I think that one will help you out the most. Just give you a look as far as what's moving with momentum. Do you use FinViz at all?
Yeah, I do.
You do? Okay, so you know that you can like scroll over just the name and it'll throw up like a little spark chart, like
Yeah,
the daily to let you see it.
yeah.
All right, so this is a FinViz scan. Oh shit, I got my laptop. Get it.
Hey, Artie, you know you on live right now too, by the way.
I don't care.
Okay, just making sure.
Ain't nobody, don't nobody care about me. Trust me.
Disclaimer.
I'm a nobody, guys. I'm a nobody. Appreciate the heads up though, so I don't say anything stupid.
Yeah. Nah, you're a veteran around here, bro.
Get in where I fit in. Send this to you though. See, I got you. Go. Send you the momentum scanner. That one, well, see if it goes. Oh, it won't let me paste it. Just all right to you. But and I'll send you the one that I'm using this year for swing trading. I got it down to a 1 to 3 week scanner for bullish options. Pretty selective. Pretty selective. Right now it's just spitting out a bunch of precious metals, silver, gold, and the miners. But I'll get it to you. You don't even do options.
Nah, I don't do options.
Damn it. I'm gonna just send you that one for momentum.
All right.
And I would send you the penny screener, but penny, man, you gotta know what's going on. IWM hitting all-time highs though.
Penny as in below $1 or below 5?
Below 5.
Okay, yeah.
Well, you want that one too? That one spits out a ton of stuff.
I mean, that's pretty much my wheelhouse right now. That's what I'm trading every day.
All right, I'll shoot you the penny scanner. So that one's for momentum. The one I just gave you. Fire back up Discord again. I'll get you the penny screener. Penny screener be going crazy because it'll list shit that's got like 100+ million volume. See what's on here right now. Showing RENX with 186 million in volume.
Oh,
That
yeah,
is,
it's
but
super
okay.
cheap. Can I adjust
I mean,
these
they got all the
settings?
volume. RENX, whatever the fuck this is.
Oh, okay, yeah, I can
Whatever.
manipulate these scans too. So this would be a cool little base for me. All right on.
All right. There's the penny screener. Make sure I
Right.
say what first one. The momentum.
I got you, Trex.
Okay. Penny.
Man.
See anything going on? Energy activity plummets in Q4. More contraction expected. I don't know how that's possible considering we're trying to boost energy for data centers and this other stuff. Okay. All right, man. I saw you in here by yourself. I was like, dang, I don't know what he's doing.
Nah, we were
Like,
talking about trend lines, and Dirk was talking about jumping in, but he never jumped on. So I was just sitting there on the voice chat talking to the live.
who's all on live? You gotta. Are you? Oh, you're on YouTube.
Yeah, I'm on YouTube streaming right now.
Trying not to. I'm cursing like crazy too. Let me not say anything.
Yeah, it's
I'm trying
about
not to get you
20,
banned.
20 of us in here chilling.
Anybody trading anything crazy? You catch that open run?
Nah, I didn't. I got LRHC and then two L on GP and SMR, but I got 2R on LRHC.
SMR. I like me some SMR. I'm thinking about grabbing
Yeah,
some
I just
coins to
barely
go
missed
long.
SMR. It wasn't for me though.
SMR is the heat. Let's see what the screener's given as far as lending. This is saying Rocket, SoFi, ASTS, Rocket Lab, and JOBY. And then there's a bunch of gold and gold miners. CDEHL, Barrick, KEY, IAG, just gold, bunch of gold. Get you some gold.
Yeah, if y'all are swing traders, I gotta jump in the Discord and check out Artie, man. He's been pumping out the percentages since day one, man.
I got an open door contract right now up 725%.
Man, wild.
Got a serve contract up 120%, an MP contract up 470%.
Yeah.
Chilling. We're waiting on Nvidia to blow up. I bought 200s for February. Like to see it hold here, which it's doing, and the volume. Like to see the day end with fairly large volume compared to last. That'd be
All right, Artie, man, I appreciate you checking in. I'm gonna jump back into this trend line conversation and see if I can get
Get
some
it.
more clarity.
All right, I'm out of here. Good to see you. Keep it up. I'll check in on you some other time.
I appreciate you, bro.
Peace.
Yeah. All right. So that's pretty cool, man. That's awesome way to have some extra conversations in the Discord when y'all want to pop in. Um Yeah, I'm glad you like that, Center Star. I thought it was pretty cool too. We've had Knives jump on before too. Um, it's pretty cool. What would this look like? I wonder. You talking about on LRHC? Hmm. Yeah, for sure. I want to know when I'm starting a new trend. But that joint we drew over on, what was that? GP, yeah, that joint was Chinese, bro. Like that's definitely not gonna help me see anything more clearly. Like, how am I gonna draw that on the next chart, bro? Like, ain't no way. Ain't no way, fam. Like that. Like at most I can see that. That's what I'm saying. Like there's always gonna be things that you guys know more than I know, and I'm totally open minded. But if I don't understand it, bro, it's just like I can't use it, fam. I definitely when I take a trade, it's got to be my idea. Um, yeah, I just don't see that one, bro. GP was Canadian. Mm-mm. Yo, OPAD kicked into uptrend mode and just like cleaned up. This is beautiful, beautiful. I want this entry right here, yo. The break above, the pullback, and then I really want that entry. I gotta pin that entry. I saw it somewhere else too. Yep, this one right here. Buying below the descending trend line. Well, I don't mind buying below if I got room back to the trend line. I just don't want to buy against the trend line. Damn, that was a good sale on LRHC. I almost looked at it in the face too. I don't think momentum is the word that I would use. Um, Momentum to me is like, yeah, I want to be, I want the stock to be overall uptrending, but I want to enter after the downtrend. Like I want to enter right when it downtrends into support and gives you that first signal that buyers are buying it up, which is uh, a move up off support and then a higher low retest. Higher low or double bottom retest. Yeah, I guess that's counter trend. Is that counter trend? Hmm. Yeah, I mean, I again, it's clearly something that I don't understand, but I definitely don't understand it. Yeah, that's exactly what I'm trying to do there, Trey. This looks like a great point right here, though, doesn't it? I wonder how often this happens. Hmm. Yeah, the waves is important, and that's kind of what I was getting at with this GP entry. Is like this isn't the wave. This little thing isn't the wave. This is the wave. You know. Yeah, we're past trading window. Yeah, I'm just playing with trend lines right now. Yeah, this is another one that I really want. I like this a lot, man. Or is this the one I was looking at earlier? Yeah, I mean, if I just the way I have it now, yeah, it's always gonna come down to having the patient to wait for your specific criteria. And if I'm waiting for that lower high, I just got to keep waiting for that joint. J2 faded. Or is that fatted? What up, Jay? VLN. She's a runner. She's a track star. Yeah, see, this is momentum to me. Like if I was trying to trade in here, this would be momentum. But I want the waves. Yeah, I like the multiple touches for sure. But there still has to be some yo, what's up? Juha? Juhei? Appreciate the sub, man. Welcome aboard. Spiderweb chart. Yeah, that's one thing, I definitely don't want.
the trend line is just like it's for perspective. Like I just want to see what overall is happening. So like I'm not entering on the break of the trend line per se. I love to see that, and that, you know, if we've just broken out of the trend line and I see my setup, I'm gonna feel that much better about taking it. But yeah, I mean, most of this stuff is yeah, it's definitely to show a reversal, but I mean the reversals happen as support too, and then they get to the trend line and then break the trend line. Um, but like a lot of this stuff is very subjective. Is that the right word? Um, like when we're doing stuff like drawing lines, support lines, and trend lines, the goal is to draw them in the place that everybody's going to draw them. Like if I have this unique way of seeing the trend line and no one else sees it that way, then it's not beneficial. But like seeing the obvious, like this line right here is mad obvious, right? Like you can see like, wow, yeah, okay. It's mad obvious. I got married to LRHC. I mean, we was married until 117, and then I, you know, had to put her back in the ocean. Uh, you mean draw them on the one so that I can't even see them on the five? Yeah, they're all synced. Barely touching the line ever. But like if you zoom out, look, it's working though. Like it is. It literally uses that line all day. But if I only see them on the 1 minute, what is it doing for me? No, well, I mean, what I'm doing now, Center Star, is just going over the decisions that I've made today, and I didn't make any decisions on VLN, so and I'm done trading. My window closed at 11, so uh, yeah, I'm just right now. I'm just trying to learn from my experience today, and kind of continue to nail down the process forward. Well, to help me time the trade.
Yeah, but if I'm trading the 5 minute, don't I want the don't I want my trend lines on the five too? Oh, you mean like as far as to come up with that lower high? No, I got you. But I think these are legitimate too, though. When you get these lower highs back to back, I mean, it's pretty much following a trend line. So I mean, I definitely get that part of what's being said. But also, if I stick to my concept of waiting for the lower high, then I mean, it all it does is restrict me to buying closer to where I want to buy at, which is over here in this area. Um, but yeah, I mean, I could see not even using the first one because it's so crazy. But I think I'm good with that. Reset candle, wait for the lower high, draw the trend line, play off support. Man, I have never been able to substantiate the A B C D pattern. I think I've tried like two times to grasp it. Might be a little slow. Yeah, I'm happy with this process for now. Failed flag. Reset candle, lower high, trend line, support, volume changeover. Hmm. Bread and butter. Yeah, I need send me somebody send a good video on the Discord on ABCD pattern. Just for fun. Hmm. Hmm. Yep. Yep. Yeah,
Yeah, even on the trash days though, I feel like there's always just at least one trade most days. I could probably have more no trade days as well, but that's my greed talking. I think it's my optimism. Yeah. I'd love to get to the point too where I sell out right here. But the optimism is still is so hard to overcome. But at least I think I would it would have been nice to stop out at the break of this trend line though. Stop should have been up to this low by here. There's no need to lose a full R in this move. Yeah. Dang, MBY still going. Hmm. Yeah, more reps. I need more reps. More reps all weekend long. We doing reps. We are doing reps, drawing trend lines, drawing support, and taking entries as closest to support as I can get. I got to get that Dirk entry going. Yep, entries and levels, man. Yeah, I gotta steal. I'm gonna steal some of these mornings. I might even jump on here and hang out Saturday and Sunday morning, bright and early, and try to get down here, get my tea brewed, and I'm just gonna be in the journal and the replay soon. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We can hang it out, man. Yeah, I'm gonna run out the house in the morning before anybody wakes up. Hit the gym. I'll probably be sitting down about 7. Dang, he said 5:30. I'll probably be sitting down about 7:30. I ain't making me want to skip the gym and just come straight here. Hmm. Yeah. All right. Well, we're having a Mamba weekend. I gotta get. I'm gonna see how many reps I can stuff in. Yeah, I've been lacking at the gym, bro. I've been hella lacking. Hella lacking. All right, bet, man. Let's call it. We're getting the Mamba reps in all weekend long. Uh, yeah, man. Come hang out. Anyway, appreciate you guys hanging with me, being a part of my process and journey and all of that good stuff. All the input is appreciated. And yeah, man, hit that like button for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Discord links in the description. And hopefully I'll see y'all tomorrow. Peace. Yeah, no doubt, focus. Oh wait, this number goes up to 7, right? Or did I move it up to 6 already?
Is it 7 today? I can't remember. Somebody, anybody. 7. All right. Awesome. Is this wild or what though? Like it's like now we can actually start working on the strategy. Like now that I'm not buying high day breakouts and you know going past max loss, all that stuff. All right, bet knives. We got to make it happen now. We got to have the crew. Um, yeah. Dang, bro. Yeah, now we can work. All right, y'all. Peace. All right, bro. Well, damn. We got to put a time on it now. All right, let's see. Is it? Let me see. Um, we just scroll to the beginning of this video. That's all you gotta do. Did it start out at 6? It was 6. Okay, so we're up to 7. We're up to 7. I'm shooting for 7:30 to be sitting at the desk. I should be able to get to the gym by like 6:45. Yeah, so I'm shooting for 7:30. 7:30 Central Time, 8:30 Market Time tomorrow morning. We're getting it popping. Mamba session. Mamba session. All right. Be there or be square. All right, I'm out for real this time. All right, bet.